This 2020 Forest River Cherokee Arctic Wolf 285RL4 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Lakeland, Florida, 33809 and is offered for sale by Gerzeny's RV World of Lakeland. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features Sleeps 5. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.